Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Faster IELTS. Today I am going to start IELTS writing task 2 essays videos. In today's video I will tell you about the types of essays, what should you write for each of them, and what are the important requirements in order to get a band 7+. Don't skip any part of the video in order to acquire complete knowledge regarding this. So now let's start with today's video. So there are different types of questions in IELTS writing task 2, which are: do you agree or disagree? To what extent do you agree or disagree? Advantages and disadvantages, positive or negative development. Discuss both views and give your own opinion. Give reasons, problems and solutions. Reasons and solutions, problems and solutions. Do the advantages outweigh the disadvantages, or do the disadvantages outweigh the advantages? You should have to follow the right pattern for writing your essay. The first one is you should have to write a general line if you want to, or you can omit it if you want, and then you should have to write a small introduction and plus thesis statement as well with your introduction. And the second paragraph should be your body paragraph 1, which should have a main idea, reason, explanations, one sporting example, and a conclusion as well. And the second body paragraph should also have a second main idea, reason, explanation, sportive example, and conclusion as well. If you want to the body paragraph 3, then it will also include the same material like the body paragraph 1 and 2. And at the end you should have to write a conclusion. Now let's talk about the criteria that you should have to know before writing your essay so that you can achieve a band 7+ in the IELTS writing task 2. The first requirement is the task achievement or task response. Task achievement is used for the writing task 1 and the task response is used for the writing task 2. And the most important part to keep in mind for getting a higher band score in IELTS writing test is the task response. You should have to make your task response as better as you can, because all of your essay depends upon the task response. If your task response is well, then you can get a higher band score. If your task response is low, then even if you write all the grammar, coherence and cohesion according to a well manner, but you cannot get a higher band score without a task response. So make your task response right. You should have to fully address all parts of the task and present a fully developed position in the answer to the question with relevant, extending and supporting ideas. Make your ideas according to the question relevant and expand your ideas and support them by giving the examples if you can. The second most important criteria is coherence and cohesion. You should make your cohesion in such a way that it attracts no attention to the examiner. Your paragraphing should be logical. You should have to organize your paragraph information and ideas logically. Use cohesive devices, meaning the cohesive devices that we use to connect our sentences by one and one with a variety and not under or overuse them. Make your coherence and cohesion well. Present clear central topic within every paragraph. You should have to use a range of cohesive devices, but you should not over or underuse them. You should have to keep in mind this. And then the third most important criteria is the lexical resource, that is vocabulary. You should use a wide variety of vocabulary with very natural and sophisticated control of lexical features. Skillfully use uncommon lexical items and collocations. Your word choices must be correct and spellings are also must be correct. If you cannot use uncommon lexical items, you should have to make sure that your spellings must be correct and your word choices must be correct in order to get a higher band score. And the fourth and the last most important criteria to get a higher band score in IELTS writing task 2 is grammatical range and accuracy. You should use a wide range of structures with full flexibility and accuracy. All sentences should be error free. Use variety of complex structures. You should have well control over grammar and punctuation. In the next videos, I will show you how to write these essays specifically one by one, and I also provide you the sample essays and tell you about how to use these important criteria in order to get a higher band score in these essays. For understanding how to understand the task statement and how to write the IELTS writing task 2 essays according to its types with full task response, coherence and cohesion, lexical resource and grammatical range and accuracy, stay tuned with me. It's the end of the video. Have a great day and goodbye.